Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Rob, and on today's video, we're gonna do a countdown to Funtown with the 5 things that I'm looking forward to on the Carnival Celebration heading to Celebration Key. We'll start with number 5, and that is some of the ports that we are visiting on this specific sailing are ports that I've visited before and I really do enjoy them. Like San Juan, where we walked all around town and sadly missed the Umbrella Street, but had a great time at the Pigeon Park, and we walked all the way up to the fort and got some great shots there. It is a beautiful place to visit. All of the architecture is wonderful, and I can't wait to go back. And St. Thomas, where I had one of the most magical experiences by a happenstance meeting of me and a sea turtle by ourselves at Megan's Bay Beach. That was top 10 experiences I've ever done. Me by myself swimming alongside a sea turtle was super awesome. And number 4 of the list is the XL class ship and all of its amenities. Now, I will say there's a distinction. I see some people call it an XL, as in an extra large ship. That is not it. It's actually an excel, E-X-C-E-L, as in excellence, or something that we do really well. We excel at this. And so this is a ship that is done really well, and that is true for all the amenities and the stuff that they have. They have a couple of different venues for shows. They have great live music all over the ship, and the kids clubs are really, really awesome. And among the many amenities they have is actually our room. We are booked in a family harbor room, which is directly across the hall from the family harbor lounge. So I'm excited to bring you that. I've never done anything like this, so I'm super excited to bring you along for that as well. That's something that we're really looking forward to, is all of the things that come with an XL class ship. And number 3, along terms of the things that come along with the XL class ship, is the food options. Outside of the buffet, which is massive, they have food options like Guy's Burgers, Blue Iguana Cantina. They have Shaq's Big Chicken, which was super good the last time we tried it, which I'll take a break here and let you know, I did sail on the Carnival Celebration, and if you would like to see a whole series before you watch this upcoming series, I would invite you to subscribe. I'll put a card up above that takes you to a playlist of that time. We had a forward-facing balcony that time, and that was super, super awesome. And then of course they have all the specialty dining options, which we will bring you a ton of those, if not all of them, if we can squeeze all of the food options in to our 7 days aboard, then I will bring you as many as I can. I know that we have scheduled the steakhouse, teppanyaki, the Italian La Cucina, we're gonna do Chibang, and I believe we're gonna try and sneak in the seafood at some point. And then of course there's Emeralds and some of the other ones that aren't as specialty dining, but are not free or included. And of course, to wash all this down, we go with number 2, which is Coke products back on Carnival ships. Super excited about this. My wife is a Coke Zero Diet Coke fiend, so they don't know what's coming to hit them. Unfortunately, the new Zero Proof package that is coming out on Carnival, which is a non-alcoholic drink package, that does not start until the day after we leave for our cruise. So unfortunately, we were not able to do that, but that is something that I'm looking forward to in future cruises. I will be on another ship in December, so maybe I will get that Zero Proof package then. And of course, the final thing that I'm looking forward to, number 1, drum roll please, Celebration Key. That's right, we've been talking enough about it here and beyond. Super excited to check out this new destination, if you will. I have heard some grumblings of a nickname of Celebration Fee because of how much they nickel and dime you. But to be honest, that's Carnival's MO right now, is any way they can get an extra dollar out of you, they will. They are a business that is in business to make money. They're not just here to give you a great vacation. Giving you a great vacation is a subsequent. That is number 2 on their list. Making money is number 1, as is any business. So I guess if they can see a place to squeeze a dollar out of you, they will try. Now, That is not something that we plan on doing. We will not be paying $11 for a pool noodle or any of those things. One of the things I am interested in looking at the food options, and we will go in depth in all of this. So I would invite you to subscribe to the channel if any of the things that I'm talking about sound exciting for you, because we will be doing deep dive and reviews on the Carnival Celebration. We will bring you ship tours, the Family Harbor Suite room tour, and the Family Harbor Suite lounge. We will be taking you to Celebration Key and walking all the way around it and diving deep into whether or not Celebration Key is celebration fee or not. And of course, a bonus section here is the Framily that is coming along. And no, you did not hear me wrong. Framily is the word that we choose. Those are our friends who are so close, they are like family to us. We will be joined by 2 other families aboard the Celebration, 2 of our really, really close friends, the Gribbins and the Bryants, who we have sailed with in the past. They are familiar to this channel, so you will recognize them if you've been around at all. But we are super excited to hang out with them. It's been a minute since we've all last been together, and there's nothing better than Framily. So that's it. Those are my top 5 things that I'm looking forward to aboard this Carnival Celebration, heading to Celebration Key. When this video goes live, I'm actually on the ship. So I'm super excited to bring a whole new series aboard the Carnival Celebration to you. And like I said, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Go ahead and like and leave a comment down below. Have you ever been on any of the Excel class ships? What did you think of them? Have you been to Celebration Key? Please give me your tips, tricks, and all those things. I will be checking those comments down below. That's all I have for you today. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.